So example number 2 here reads a triangle throw 10 feet long is 4 feet across the top and 4 feet deep. Water flows in at a rate of 3 cubic feet per minute. How fast is the surface rising when the water is 6 inches in depth? So, when you say throw, it's a water container. Okay, it's a general term for a water container. So, it has it's a triangular throw, so it's like a triangular bracing. Alright, so the length is 10 feet, and then it's 4 feet across, ito. And then 4 feet deep. Oh, this is 4 feet deep, no? The surface is rising, the water flows in at a rate of 3 cubic feet per minute. So again, this is your dV over dt, your Q. Alright? So, what is missing, and then we'll just get the vertical dimension of the depth, no? Kasi ganun ulit how fast is the surface rising when the water is 6 inches in depth? So basically, we will get dy, we just use y, no? Over dt, okay, at y is equal to 6 inches. But everything here is in feet, so gawin na lang natin 0.5, half foot. No? Alright. Sige, let's start with the volume at any time t. So the volume would be base times height again. Since it's a prism, the base is a triangle, so it's 1/2 base of the triangle times height of the triangle, and then the height or the length of the throw, which is 10. No, this one is for the throw. So when you write it down, it will be V is equal to um, 1/2. Sorry, the base of the triangle. Get the volume of water pala. To be specific, not just the throw. Volume of water. Okay. So, kasi this is what we will be needing dy over dt. No, this is the volume of water or the height of water, y. No? So this is your height of water. Alright. So if that is the case, your base of the triangle here, since this is your water, is x. So 1/2 x. Then your height is y, right? And then h is 10. When you simplify, it will become v is equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5xy. Yeah? Alright, let's use this as your equation number 1. Going back to our cross-section. Okay, this is our cross-section. Alright. So it's like getting somewhere here, no? Kasi at any point here along the length, no? So this is what we will get. So we can use similar triangles, right? So using similar triangles, we have the base x and the height y for the triangle, which will be for the cross section of the throw 4/4. Then in terms of y, we can get y is equal to 4/4 x, right? And we will use this as our equation number 2. Okay? So, putting equation number 2 and equation 1 together, let's put equation 2 to equation 1. So, what do we get? So V is equal to 5x, we're after Y pala. We're after Y. So we'll keep Y. So let's rewrite this in terms of X pala. Well, it will be the same thing actually. 4 over 4 over Y. So it will be 5x, so 4 over 4, Y, then Y. No? And then that just turns into 1, so it's 5y squared, basically. No? Once you got the relationship set up already, okay, we can start differentiating. No? So we can differentiate it as dv over dt is equal to d over dt 5y squared. So dv over dt, and then it's 5. Let's just put 5 outside, constant multiple rule. And then y squared becomes 2y dy over dt. Right? However, dv over dt, let's copy this. Let's continue on the next page. dv over dt. Okay. Okay. Uh, Continuing this, but remember dv over dt, it changes at 3 feet per minute, right? That is one of our constant. So we change this to 3, and then simplify 10y dy over dt, getting uh, getting our equation to dy over dt. So dy over dt becomes 3 over 10y. Remember, we would like to get dy over dt at 6 inches depth of water, right? So we will change that by 6. We need it at feet pala, because everything is in feet, so we'll use 0.5. So it becomes dy over dt is equal to 3 times 10 times 0.5. Alright, evaluating it, therefore, we'll get 3 over 5 feet per minute, cubic feet per minute. So this is your answer. Alright, if we get another, we can solve this in another way. Sige. Remember that uh, your v is equal to 5xy, right? We can right away uh, implicitly derive at this point. No? So it becomes dv over dt is equal to 5. Tapos we can do the product rule. No? It becomes x dy over dt plus y dx over dt. Okay? However, we need to get the value of dx over dt. Remember, recall from the similar triangles, you get x is equal to 4 over 4y. We also get the derivative with respect to t. So it's dx over dy, ay dt pala, is equal to dy over dt. We can replace dx over dt by dy over dt. Then it becomes uh, dv over dt is equal to 5. Okay. X is also equal to 4 over 4 y, then dy over dt, then y plus y, dx over dt is dy over dt. So it's like getting 2y dy over dt. Okay? So just if you'll be asking, this came from this, and then this dx that became dy because of this. Alright? So dv over dt is now 10y dy over dt. Okay? But remember, dv over dt is equal to 3 feet per minute, cubic feet per minute. So dy over dt will be equivalent to divide both sides by 10y, and at y is equal to 0.6 inches or 6 inches or 0.5 foot, no, you'll get with the same, we'll be ending up with the same answer.